what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing GTA G for Brutal Tag. Now I have to tag these people. Well, we're gonna play what's it called? Monkey. The monkey in the shelf. But we just came to play normal tag, I guess.
Where are you? Dude, come here. I'm up on this tree. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit. I messed up. No, bro, get off of me.
Sissy, wake up. Okay.
Bro, I'm so much. Bro, no dead shot. Same. Like, bro, I have to be so close to my freaking box for it to work correctly. So,
no, I don't think you want.
Oh my god.
Wall jump while I'm lava.
So I need to do this.
that's a big no.
Alright, okay guys.
No, we're friends.
Boom.
We're friends. Daddy Wolf. How are you friends?
This is how I usually do stuff. Probably like, usually like this. Or, I just do it random ways. Or like go like this. Like, how I usually do stuff. Like this and that, like really fast.
Okay, don't tag anyone. I'm
I think it's-
What the fuck?
Bro, where'd you go?
Calm down, Mr. Monkey. You can't run. Mr. Monkey can't run, boy.
Did you see that? Boy!
Don't tag. Don't tag.
I'm good. He's mine.
Uh-oh. No!
You got
Good job.
Strong, bro.
Good job.
His biceps.
I'm
Look
gonna
at
be
Lucio. Bro, I tagged him.
kind of.
Bro, I tagged you.
You tagged him.
Oh.
Ah!
I just wanted a fish gun. You like men, bro. You're gay. You like men.
Oh, hey!
I like men.
Good in the video.
I don't like men.
No! Dang it!
I got vibration.
Oh, you can't even wall climb. Oh, God, dang it. Either can I. I think my controls.
Oh, you missed
Okay,
the
guys.
shoot.
Fine, bro.
I'm looking you guys on walls. Oh, shit.
really got McDonald's Wi-Fi, bro.
God dang it! Boy, stop acting that you got McDonald's Wi-Fi. Just bad, that's all.
So you didn't tag him. Yeah, that's why you didn't tag him, because you have McDonald's Wi-Fi. That doesn't mean anything.
Oh my God! I did not tag him. I did not tell him.
Be quiet. That's why you're a brat from Wish, just like your
Bro,
parents.
shut up with the McDonald's freaking Wi-Fi.
Not you, banana.
Bro.
And not you, blue.
Hey, wait. Banana, don't tag me. I'm trying to roast this kid. Bro, he wants
I
to do a
wasn't
rap
talking
battle.
to you, blue.
I don't care. You've been trash either way. Go back where you live. Freaking with the grouch. Oscar the grouch. That's where you live.
Holy shit.
Freaking on someone else.
I have an idea. Let me put in a song.
First of all, he was the first one. He started it because he wanted to say, I have McDonald's Wi-Fi.
Because you're
So,
the person of your freaking life. So
let's
shut up.
put Notion.
Air Jordans that you
Already know this
freaking
one.
Dollar Tree, living in a freaking painted
It's pretty good. I like this song. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty good. That a dumb ad.
see
Ugh.
when he started it, was AAA?
Hey, top hat.
No.
Pronounce what? Hey, top hat. Pronounce this. Pronounce I-D-A-H-O. I-D-A-H-O. Idaho. Yeah, Idaho.
La, la, la.
You get it, bro? Did you get it?
Yeah.
What's Idaho. Do you listen, Idaho? Bro, come on. Bro, I got freaking.
No, 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 no.
Hey, Top Hat, say Bofa. Say hello
Okay.
to Bofa.
No, I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say both of these.
Bofa's not to your mouth.
But you guys didn't know.
Bro,
It used to be my skin.
Bro, my mom
Here it comes.
I can't, bro. I got 1 IQ. You can't be anything. I got 1,000 IQ. That's what the residuals.
Oh, here it comes.
What did I
Here
even
it comes,
do
my.
to you?
Bro, Top Hat, bro, Top Hat. Top Hat. Oh shit, you're gay now. You're gay now.
Okay.
Your
Wait,
mother.
which top hat? You. How?
What?
No, I'm talking to the blue top hat.
One thing that is really good.
Oh, you're talking about me? You're really
You
good.
talking about me? Yeah. Who else?
No, I wasn't.
I'm talking about white. This good. Bro, I'm better than this. I'm just not like awake.
Oh, shoot, I'm dead.
Yes, you are.
You know how
Like that.
Oh, yeah, I'm dead.
Did I tag you? Boy, I tagged you through mid-air. Don't shut your mouth, bro. You keep talking about me like you're... Bro, I wish I was black. Oh god, those chocolate brown eyebrows. Bo uses Hershey's for his eyebrows. Everyone paralyzed that they can't move their lips now, so they can't talk. Okay, they can scream them. Bro, I dare you guys to just scream the whole time. Well, not scream, but talk scream.
Ah, no, that hurts my throat.
Freaking lawnmower right there.
Mistaken, boy.
Boy! Ah.
Oh shit.
Shit, boy, you gotta do
Where is he? Who really think that he's good?
Bro, I love this, bro. I haven't juked someone in this long.
Oh, I got him.
No, you didn't. Shut up.
I haven't juked someone like that in forever. Bro, I can't do it. This is not gonna go.
Yeah, alright.
Hey.
I swear I did not just tag you. What? I know all the jukes that people are gonna do. Oh my gosh, again!
Bro, I love this game.
Not even a juke though.
Bro, my hands are so slippery. I can't even get off that one.
Excuses, excuses. I got my controller fling.
Bro, dude,
I can tag him.
bro, did you not see my freaking hand? It was like that. About to fall off. Bro, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the...
I'm gonna put my that I always wear when I was new. Then the first cosmetic that I got,
No.
but it was the top hat. No, I think it might be the yeah. With nothing.
Go get white. Go get white. Bro, I just got a haircut, bro. I'm HES. Bro, white hair. White. I can beat you to freaking stump, I bet you. Go. Oh yeah, you're getting chased. That's not fair.
Okay, guys, I think that might be the end of this video. It would have to edit. Whoa. Yeah, all of the team. Bye.